Hello, friends. Today you will see the video on Mars, and I tried my best to make you enjoy the study of astronomy. The strange and unforgettable planet, Neptune. Neptune, the eighth planet in the solar system, and the second smallest planet in our solar system, and quite different from any other planet that we know of. For example, it has wind speeds of more than 1,000 miles per hour, which are twice as fast as those found on Earth. The composition of Neptune's atmosphere also includes hydrogen sulfide gas and ionized helium. When combined with its great speed, these elements make this gas giant appear bluish-green in color. Early observations. Neptune was first observed by a British astronomer, John Couch Adams, in 1843, who predicted its existence based on irregularities in the orbit of Uranus. French astronomer Jean-Louis Pons then independently made the same prediction. The discovery helped to explain why that planet's orbit seemed so strange. For many years, it was the outermost known planet until Pluto's discovery in 1930. Neptune is named after Roman god of water because its blue color reminded astronomers of Earth's oceans. Like other gas giants, it has no solid surface and is instead composed primarily of hydrogen and helium gases above a thick layer of ice, mostly water ice, but also ammonia, methane ices, as well as other types of exotic frozen volatiles. Mythology and religion of Neptune. Neptune is a planet in the solar system. It is one of the four gas giants. The planet was discovered by Urbain Le Verrier in 1846, though it wasn't seen until 1846 because it is not visible from Earth without a telescope. The planet has many moons, but only Triton is large enough to show a disk when viewed by a telescope. This moon has an atmosphere with nitrogen and methane, making it appear blue-green or turquoise in color. The scientific exploration of Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun in our solar system. It has a mass of 1.27 times that of Earth, making it the fourth most massive planet orbiting our star. As part of its exploration, scientists have discovered that Neptune has three cloud layers, one at about 30 miles above the surface, another at about 10 miles, and a third near the surface. The uppermost layer is composed primarily of methane ice crystals with traces of ammonia or ammonium sulfide ices. This layer may extend all the way to 20 miles. The middle layer is made up largely of hydrogen sulfide ice particles. These would be suspended in liquid water ammonia gas, which would make them a type of clathrate. Facts about Neptune's Triton moon. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, was discovered on October 10, 1846 by British astronomer James Challis. It is the only large moon in the solar system to orbit backwards around its planet. Triton was also the first satellite to be discovered through a telescope. This discovery led astronomers to believe that there were many other planets which had yet to be found. Facts about Neptune's rings. Neptune's rings are much fainter than Saturn's, but they're still visible. They can be seen as a series of light smudges against the planet's blue-gray atmosphere. The rings are made up of small particles that orbit the planet at different distances, which explains why they cast shadows on the planet when they pass in front. It also helps to explain why the planet has a dark side. The ring particles actually block sunlight from reaching some parts of its atmosphere. Other facts about planet of solar system. Neptune is the eighth planet in our solar system. It is not as large as Earth, but it has a greater mass than any of the other planets. Its orbit takes about 165 years to travel around the Sun, so 1 year on Neptune lasts about 165 Earth years. This means that 1 day on Neptune lasts about 16 hours, though because its axis is tilted by nearly 30° from the perpendicular to its orbit, it actually experiences seasons just like Earth does. How Neptune is different from other planets. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun in our solar system. It was discovered on September 23, 1846 by Johann Gottfried Galle, who named it for the Roman god of freshwater and the sea. Neptune is a gas giant like Jupiter, but it's much smaller, only 30 times Earth's mass. So small that you could fit 1,600 Earths inside it. It's also very cold. Its atmosphere is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium gas. But thanks to its blue color, we can see through its clouds to watch storms on its surface from telescopes here on Earth. Discoveries. Neptune was discovered in 1846, when it was observed that the orbit of Uranus had been periodically perturbed by an unseen body. No other planets could account for the observations, and so, a new planet had to be found. Astronomers predicted its location from these observations and began to search for it. On September 23, 1846, Johann Gottfried Galle finally sighted a point of light close to where they predicted it would be. It is named after the Roman god Neptune, as he is associated with water, which is a key component of our oceans. Now talk about the bonus of this video, NASA missions. In 1989, NASA launched Voyager 2 on a journey to explore Uranus, Neptune, and the other outer planets. The spacecraft was created by the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, under contract to NASA. Voyager 2 is now close enough to send back pictures of these distant worlds. On July 14, 1989, Voyager 2 made its closest approach to Neptune. The spacecraft flew within 15 degrees of the planet's north pole before it turned southward toward its next destination, Uranus. It's one of our solar system's 4 gas giants, so named for an abundance of atmospheric gases like hydrogen and helium, and it has a very deep blue color because methane makes up part of its atmosphere. Hope you enjoyed this video. For latest videos, subscribe our YouTube channel, The Latest Astronomy. Press the bell icon for latest videos. Goodbye.